Clear to te in Zavain Chibaivek Ule, Voin He, March ni Somni Pani, Kumsani Somni Paru, Patien ni Ania, Tuntuma Hian, Hawaii ya, Tuilian Thleng Chungchang kan bị chiang don ane. Hawaii ya chuan Tuilian avangin emergency puan ania. Tuna hian Tuilian na satak a thleng mek ani. Mitam tak chan chua ania. Ni masela lo nei tu te ta ne ro. Thilpoi tak a thleng thung.
Good is the farmers.
Saturated ground.
There it goes.
Stand back.
You don't care?
Oh,
Are you watching this?
Oh hu clear car hian kumsom ni chunga Tuilian na saber a machon meka he thil hi kona low storm wang ani. Marsin somni pakhat kumsan hi somni paruk nimina khan clear car mun tam tak Tuilian laka film khur tura shetirna warning an pe chuka mun la omzoka omte apikin marlam mi puite chu mun him lama in here fil him tura shetiran ni bok.
Somebody was calling for help. House radio? Oh, bro. Oh, look at that. Careful.
Luckily, this house is vacant. No one lives in this house right now. But I don't know how much longer it's gonna stay. It might float away.
On Oahu, a flood watch has been issued for the entire state of Hawaii.
Marlam luikam din mun hi anasa zual khop maya hale waile waya lua khwa te tuifon chuan ko thler atuma in tam tak alena lir thei tam tak tuin achim pil bok ani in then kha chu Tuilian hian alen bo vek thei bok.
This one, I'll go look. Yeah.
Get him.
Yeah. Thank you.
I'm off.
No. Wukuli area. We'll be on the rake right after.
Hawaii State Puma Tuilian laka film khur tura shetirna anti chuagani nimin khan mi sanga vel chu an in chu santura shetiran ni to bok thil la omber pakhat chu kumza somnia upa wahia wa dam hi ania tuya tlem de hlek to na ruatui atlak reng chuan he tui khwa hi achimpal ahla om hlea achiani vai chuan noilama mi te tan thilpoi tham tak mitam tak nunna tider thong thei thil a thleng thei don ani.
We're here. The life dogs, bro. These guys is right on, bro.
Hey everyone, just a quick update. Right now, the water flow is getting a lot stronger. I am actually having some trouble walking for it.
This is crazy.
Chanchu anna rescue operation hi an kalpui renga tungthleng hian mi zan hi som thum chuang Tuilian laka hian chan him ani to thu on report ani chan chuat na hi West Coast Spring Break Camp no pang le puitling somsari pani zet chu National Guard le Honolulu Fire Department ten thokin thlona mangin an chan chuak hlomani
Okay.
Wailua Beach Road. Right now it's 8:22 a.m. Isaac, hungry Hawaiian still over here too. They're helping. These guys just got rescued.
Governor Joe Green soinan chuan Hawaii State Puma hian chiatna thleng hian dollar tluk le ding on khat 1 billion aya tam chu ati cheto ni nan taranga thlona airport sikul le kongpui poimo tak tak te ati chiani National Weather Service in pathian ni vo in thleng hian ruatui alatlak chhunzom do ni hin an soya mipuita chu ko thlera chuk lo tur le chanchin ngai chang reng turin an shetir bok Tuilian hi aron chak tial tiara kalpo in kalpo po ahar sa tial tial bokani emergency ya antom khom na tur shelter po siam ani ya mase atir lama an siam na mun than khat chu tuin an sim tak awangin an son le ta ni tuna beach road a thil thleng hi jingdar riat le min somni pahnia thleng ani ya chan chuat na thoktu te hian mi an pui renga mi then khat phei chu an chan chua lim lol po anom bok ani chan chuat na thoktu te hian thei top chuin na an tho chun zom renga tun thleng hian chan chua engemaw zat anom to bok ole kha kha ni min lama Hawaii ya Tuilian Rapthlak tak thleng chungchang kan tarlan thei chu ni ya hovel mun sang sang atun la hian chiatna wanga har satna lem boina thleng she tur tam khop maya mun then khata ruwa asura mun then khata khuwa kheng boka chutiang zelin har satna lem boina an to dan te ainang lo nual hlomani ole khati jong ha tun tung video kan ngai thak thei chu ani ye